This tutorial will show you how to change hair color in Photoshop. First of all, we need to select hair. So click on select, color range, click on the background. You can adjust the selection from here. Click on OK and select Quick Selection tool. Now press Ctrl Shift I and we need to deselect the skin and click on this icon. Click on Hue Saturation, enable Colorize and increase the saturation level. Change hue to change your hair color. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.